So where are you from? Where did you grow up?
Hi, man. So I'm from Venezuela. I was born in Venezuela, raised in Colombia. I lived in a third world country for a while. I know what poverty is. I know what it is to actually have a parent in another country and a parent over there helping us out. So I know the struggles that go through not living in the United States, and that's one thing that I'm so I mean I'm an advocate of. I want to be able to help people so they could see they could switch that mentality. But brother, man, I grew up in a third world country in Colombia. Things were not too good for us, but we were blessed enough to make it to the United States at age 16, and my brothers were and sisters were a little bit younger. But came here when I was 16. I lived in New York for a little bit, and then from there on, I used to play. So my background, I used to play baseball. So I played minor leagues. That was one of the things that I always wanted to do. That was my dream. But coming from also from a third world country, and also Spanish family, one thing that they want you to do is either a ball player, you either gonna become a doctor or an attorney. One of those three. So the ball player, I couldn't do. I couldn't continue. I hurt myself. I dislocated my shoulder, and I messed up my rotator cuff. So I had to. The next best thing was to become a doctor, brother. I didn't like it at all. I did one semester. I said, "This is not for me." I
Wow.
decided to go into the next best thing. I wanted to prove myself. Wanted to take myself to the next level, and I went into the Marine Corps. So fast forward, 22
Well, no,
years.
I want to get into all of that. I want
I
I
got it.
want to
Got
get
it.
into all those details
All right,
because you
man.
said
Let's
a
go.
lot. You said a lot of interesting things there.
Yes.